Ape. An ape is a primate that is native to Africa and Asia. They are known for their intelligence, complex social behaviors, and physical strength. Apes are divided into two groups: lesser apes, which include gibbons and siamangs, and great apes, which include orangutans, gorillas, chimpanzees, and bonobos. Humans are also classified as great apes. Apes are often studied by researchers to better understand their behavior and evolution, as well as to learn about human origins and behavior. Here are the estimated lifespans for some common ape species. Orangutans, 30 to 50 years in the wild, up to 60 years in captivity. Gorillas, 35 to 50 years in the wild, up to 60 years in captivity. Chimpanzees, 40 to 50 years in the wild, up to 60 years in captivity. Bonobos, 40 to 50 years in the wild, up to 50 years in captivity. Gibbons, 25 to 30 years in the wild, up to 40 years in captivity. It's important to note that lifespan estimates are just that, estimates, and can be influenced by a variety of factors, including diet, habitat, and genetics. Additionally, apes in captivity may have longer lifespans than those in the wild due to access to medical care and protection from predators and other dangers. Apes are known for their complex social behavior and cognitive abilities. Different species of apes exhibit a wide range of behaviors, but there are some commonalities across the group. Here are some general behaviors exhibited by apes. 1. Social organization. Apes are highly social animals that often live in groups. These groups can range from small family units to larger communities. Within these groups, there are hierarchies and social dynamics that help maintain order and balance. 2. Tool use. Several species of apes, including chimpanzees and orangutans, are known to use tools to accomplish tasks. This includes using sticks to fish for termites or using stones to crack open nuts. 3. Communication. Apes use a variety of vocalizations, gestures, and facial expressions to communicate with one another. For example, chimpanzees use hand gestures to communicate with each other, and gorillas use chest beating as a way to communicate dominance. 4. Parenting. Apes are known for their nurturing parenting styles. Mothers will carry their young for several years, nursing them and providing protection. 5. Intelligence. Apes are highly intelligent animals with complex cognitive abilities. They are capable of problem-solving, decision-making, and even exhibiting empathy towards other apes. Overall, apes exhibit a wide range of behaviors that highlight their complexity and intelligence. Their social behavior, tool use, communication, parenting, and intelligence are all areas of interest for researchers studying these fascinating animals. Mating behavior varies among the different species of apes, but generally, apes are known for their complex social and sexual behavior. Here are some general behaviors exhibited by apes during mating. 1. Estrus cycle. Female apes have an estrus cycle that determines their reproductive readiness. During this time, they may exhibit changes in behavior, vocalizations, and physical appearance to attract males. 2. Mating rituals. Male apes may engage in elaborate mating rituals to attract females. For example, male gorillas will display their dominance and strength by beating their chests and vocalizing loudly. 3. Multiple partners. In some ape species, both males and females may have multiple partners. This can lead to complex social dynamics and competition for mates. 4. Copulation. Copulation among apes can last for several minutes, and may involve vocalizations and physical displays. 5. Parenting. Apes exhibit a range of parenting styles, from highly nurturing to more hands-off. Males may or may not be involved in parenting, depending on the species. It's important to note that some species of apes, such as bonobos, are known for their highly sexual behavior. Bonobos engage in sexual activity for a variety of reasons, including social bonding and conflict resolution. Overall, mating behavior among apes is complex and varied, and researchers continue to study these fascinating animals to better understand their social and reproductive behavior. Here are some interesting facts about the lives of apes. 1. Ape species range greatly in size, from the tiny pygmy marmoset, which weighs just 4 to 5 ounces, to the massive gorilla, which can weigh up to 400 pounds. 2. Apes are highly intelligent animals with complex social structures. They use tools, communicate with each other using vocalizations and gestures, and exhibit empathy towards each other. 3. Some ape species are critically endangered due to habitat loss, poaching, and disease. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these animals and their habitats. Therefore, many ape species have opposable thumbs, which allows them to grasp objects and use tools. 5. Some apes, like orangutans and chimpanzees, are capable of making and using simple tools to accomplish tasks like foraging for food. 6. Apes are known for their long lifespans compared to other mammals of similar size. Some species, like chimpanzees and gorillas, can live up to 40 to 50 years in the wild. 7. Apes have a range of dietary preferences depending on the species. Some are herbivores, while others are omnivores or even opportunistic predators. 8. Ape babies are often carried by their mothers for several years, receiving constant care and protection until they are able to become more independent. 9. Some ape species, like chimpanzees and bonobos, have been observed exhibiting cultural behaviors, such as using specific tools or communication methods, that are passed down from generation to generation. 10. The great apes, which include orangutans, gorillas, chimpanzees, bonobos, and humans, share over 98% of their DNA.